So hello everyone, today in this video we'll be covering this question number 70. So the question is, which one of the following and exhibit DD, transition and paramagnetism as well. So this MnO2 4 minus would be the correct answer because the MnO4 2 minus exhibit DD transition and paramagnetic as well because it has unpaired electron. So Mn atom in MnO4 2 minus has +6 oxidation state. So with outer electronic configuration of 3d1. So Mn atom has outer electronic configuration of 3d5 and 4s2. So Mn atom in MnO4 minus has +7 oxidation with outer electronic configuration of 3d0. So it has 0 unpaired electrons and is diamagnetic with DD transition are not possible. So this would be the correct answer. Thank you.